Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to deactivate Facebook account. Open your Facebook app. Then tap on here to go to menu. Tap on this gear icon to go to settings. Scroll down and select access and control. Here select deactivation and deletion. Make sure deactivate account option is checked. Then scroll down and tap on here. Again tap on continue. Here enter your password and tap on continue. Then you have to enter the reason why are you deactivate this account. Then you can successfully deactivate your account. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.